Hi guys, if you want to change page size in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So to change the page size, first of all click on this file option here and then click on page setup. Now the page setup box will appear. Now to change the Google Docs page size, simply click on this paper size option here. And now here you will be able to see all the available paper size. From here you can select any size you want. Let's say I want to select this size, so I will simply select it and then click on OK, and you can see the Google Doc page size has been changed. Let's see one more time. So simply go to File, click on Page Setup. Now here click on Paper Size, and from here select any paper size you want. Let's say I want to select this paper size, Executive. I will simply click on it and then finally click on OK. And you can see the page size has been changed. Along with the page size, if you also want to change the page orientation, then let's see how to do it. So for that, again go to File, click on Page Setup. Now from the orientation section here, you can see right now the page orientation is portrait. Let's say I want to make it landscape. So I will simply select the landscape option here. And from the paper size, I will select any page size I want. Let's say I want this page size before. So I will simply select it. And after selecting the orientation and paper size, simply click on OK. And you can see the page size and page orientation both has been changed. Let's see one more time. So go to File, click on Page Setup. I want to keep the page orientation landscape. And from the paper size, I will select a different paper size. For the example, this. So after selecting the orientation and paper size, I will simply click on OK. And you can see the Google Doc page size has been changed. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change page size in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.